Hey guys, this is Chris from OilTradingPros.com. Today is January 4th, 2012. Let's take a jump really quick. We'll check out what we did today in the chat room and let you guys see how we're doing. Here's a basic shot of today. We'll go over a couple of quick trades. Let's jump right into this here. As I said, today's the 4th of January. We had a couple interesting things happen here today regarding the oil situation in the canal. It's caused a couple different spikes in oil. So let's take a look at today. This morning started around 8 o'clock. We had one for this morning at 8 o'clock right here. I believe this one was called out right here for a long, for a winner. I had taken one earlier this morning right here for a short. This was actually a loser. It was a loser. I mean, you could have got a couple ticks out of it, but it was, for the majority, a loser because of the fact that it didn't get to our 4-tick profit target. What happened was it shot up right away, then it shot down right away. Something happened with the news, and it flushed us out of this trade. This trade shouldn't have been taken in the first place. It was a technical error. It was not supposed to be taken, but we took it anyways. If you come down here, take a look at our Woody. Anytime we've got red, Sidewinder's red, it's a no-go. It's not trending. Sidewinder was red right here. It's not trending. We shouldn't have taken it. That being said, we took it and lost money. Not a big deal. There was a couple more winners throughout the morning. Had one right here, nice winner right here for 5 ticks. We also had another winner right here. The system called out. Anytime you see these purple lines appear with our yellow line down here, this is a systematic trade that's been called out. This trade's good to go. This trade got called out as well for a short. I only took 2 ticks off it because it wasn't doing what it was supposed to do, but as you can see, it eventually ended up being a nice trade. Would have been a close to 10, 15 ticks in that trade. There's another one right here that got called out, which I did not take. This one right here I didn't take. I should have taken it, but I didn't take it. I believe I was away from the screen. Come down here, check. Take a look at the Woody CCI. Perfect. This bar right here was registering red, which is downtrending. We had green for go on the CCI Sidewinder bar right here. So this would run a nice trade. We took this one right here, like I said, on the same basis. It was a nice trade as well. We ended up taking another quick trade later towards the afternoon at about 10 to 12 Chicago time. Right here, as you can see, right here, I stuck in it. I had a trailer. I actually trailed it all the way up to, it went to about 12 ticks in the profit. I trailed it, thinking it was going to run because it had been consolidating in this whole entire range for quite some time. And what had happened was it kind of came up, did a retrace, came right back down, as you can see, to the support area down here. We eventually came down to 102.64, so it's a pretty good idea that I ended up getting out of that trade. But I pulled, it looks like I pulled off about 5 ticks on this one, 7 to 12. That's 5. I want to show you guys a couple of trades here that should have actually got filtered out. We took them just to show you that they don't work. This right here, as you can tell, the Woody down here, this is the trade we're talking about. Circle it for you. The Woody down here, if we bring the screen down, here you can see the Woody lines up with my cursor on this first bar. It's green, yet the Sidewinder bar is red. So that typically means don't take the trade. We took it anyways just to show you that it does not work. Didn't call it out in the chat room, but we took it ourselves just to prove that these kind of trades just don't work, especially in all this chop right here. Here's one more trade right here that we took as well. This one happened probably about, it looks like 20 minutes after, 15 minutes after this one right here. This was supposed to play out. It actually ended up playing out right here. So depending on what your stop loss was, this would have been a winner or a loser for you. But if you had a big enough stop loss, it looked like you would have probably needed a stop in a realm of probably about, it looks like about 20 ticks, which probably most of you, I would not advise having a stop that big. But it would have eventually played out. This one didn't play out, and the reason it didn't play out, as you could tell, when we came to this candle, or this range bar right here, what had happened was it was actually in play, and it ended up turning neutral down here on the Woody, as you can see. The Woody Sidewinder started turning neutral, which we don't condone taking those trades as well. But if you were with us today, and if you would have taken it, we didn't call this trade out either. We just took it ourselves. But if we would have called this trade out, and if you would have taken it, then that trade itself would have been a loser as well. So there you have it. We have 1, 2 losers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 winners, 2 losers. We also had this loser here this morning again, right here, that once again should not have been taken. We're just trying to stress people do not take these trades. These are trades that do not pan out. They don't pan out because the Woody is not where it's supposed to be. The Woody CCI is something totally different. It's all red. Down here, if you look at it, it's all red, which means market's trending downwards, and it's got warning up here on the Sidewinder bars, so don't take that one. Right here around 115, we had some consolidation right below the 103. As soon as it actually powered its way through, it took off. We had some consolidation at the end of the day right below 103.30. If you would have traded this, if you would have had a sell above this break up here, above the consolidation, would have been a big winner. Looks like about almost 35, 40 ticks. So those are our trades for the day. We'll go through them one more time. We had 1 loser, winner, winner. It's 2 to 1. We had another winner, 3 to 1. Had another one, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, 6 to 1, plus these 2 trades right here, which we did not call out. So we had 6 to 1 today, which isn't bad. If you had a 5-tick target, you'd be up 300 today minus your losses, depending on which ones you took or which ones we called out. We called 1 loser out this morning, I believe, which was, or it was this afternoon. It was actually this one right here, which was 100% set up, and then it just ended up backing up and not doing what it was supposed to do. Woody changed colors, CCI was pointing wrong direction, wrong colors, and it stopped us out. So we had 1 loser, 6 winners. Not bad for a morning of trading. We were out of here by about 1:30 after this started consolidating, and we knew it was going to take the rest of the day to actually pan out. So that's today's wrap. Today is 4th of January 2012. 6 winners, 1 loser. If you got any questions, feel free to email us at myself, ChristopherParrott@yahoo.com, or oiltradingpros@yahoo.com. We'll answer all your questions you have. Our live trades chat room's open. So if you want to take a free trial, contact us. We'll set you up with that, and we'll all go from there. Thanks again for stopping by and watching the video. Let us know what you think. Thanks.